sought for a conference to make sure that this is going to be a course of action from our end, no, based on the report that we are generating and verifying sa road clearing. We are submitting this, no, to the City Legal, no, for our recommendation to file necessary or appropriate na both, no, administrative or criminal case, so that this will teach our barangays man, no, the lesson. Despite several warnings, despite several documented na warning, because may memo kita, may mga sulat kita sa barangay, there are still barangays who fail to conduct, no, the road clearing operation. So with respect sa indicator, nga tanaw na naton nga dapat wala obstruction, so free flow ang traffic, free flow ang pedestrian, both ang aton roads and sideways. We're looking into two nga may ara kita sina nga gina-recognize man nga mga barangay na consistently naga-implement, and then in terms of those barangays nga non-compliant, they are for the past quarters, no, ang aton sina nga means is ang reminders nga ginasend naton via memo sa sini nga mga barangays, especially ang mga wala naga-submit report, because that's our basis of verifying whether or not they are doing the road clearing.